So it looks like we've got a kind of ratio question here. Total amount of money on the flight is 1190, and they're going to share the cost of the flight in the ratio 2 to 5. Calvin's paying 2 shares and she's paying 5 shares, so they must have 7 shares altogether. They've got to divide this into 7, haven't they? So if we do 1190 divided by 7, whatever that answer is, that's going to equal 1 share, and of course Calvin's going to pay twice that, and Jenny's going to pay 5 times this, whatever this number is. So 1 share is worth 170, which means that Calvin is paying double that, 170. He's paying 2 of these £170 shares, and Jenny's paying for 5 of these £170 shares. So let's write that down. That's 340 for Calvin, and 5 times by that is 150. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's right, yes. Okay, of course I can know if we add those two together it should equal 1190, and it does. So we've been asked how much more does Jenny pay than Calvin, so we need to do a subtraction. Okay, and that's going to equal £510. For the second part of the question, you can see that they've paid a £12 deposit on £3,500 villa somewhere nice, I expect. Okay, so we should find 12% of that. So let's work out 12% of 3,500. So 12% of 3,500. That's how to work out 12% of 3,500. Do that in the calculator really quickly. And you can see they paid £420 up front. So how much more money do they still owe if the whole holiday costs £3,500? So we'll take off that deposit, which is £420, which means that they still have to pay £3,080, and they want to pay it in monthly instalments of £220. So we're going to have to do £3,080 divided by 220, and that should tell me how many monthly payments they need to make. Okay, and it says 14, so 14 months they'll be paying for this holiday. Sounds pretty expensive to me. 14 months, 14 monthly instalments. Okay. Right, so that's that part of the question answered. Now it's time to look at the marks, the examiner's report. So you can see that the examiners had quite a lot to say about this question. Please do pause and have a read of that, and see what sorts of mistakes other people made, and if you made the similar thing, to remind yourself not to do it in the future. Of course, let's just check as well to see we've got the right answers. So £510, yeah, and 14 stars, excellent.